Okay guys, we have an issue with the rear seat. The driver's side releases to access the bolts, but actually it's the passenger side releases, but the driver do not. Let me show you what I'm talking about, because if you have this problem in your Lexus, this is how you can fix it, guys. This is our rear roll. We already take off the front, guys. In the normal conditions, you will use this lever to fold the seat, and then this other one so the seat can basically jump. You have this other lever as a backup in case that this one fails or the wire breaks. The challenge, guys, is that the big piece is not doing it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this one folds, but when you try to release it, it's locked. It doesn't release. So this one falls, and if I use the emergency or the rear lever, it's still not releasing. So how can you, what is the solution for this? So basically is what I did is, guys, go underneath the passenger. Either way, we're gonna remove the covers, right? So I cut it off, and I was able to inspect the mechanism. That's the wire right there, and it releases the rear section, and it connects right there to the auxiliary. They all goes into this box with the wires and connects to this one. This one is functional, so I know how it works now. When I go to the driver, so I cut the cover so I can go underneath, and this is what we find. A lot of liquid. We don't know what kind of liquid. I don't know how all that debris got. This is under the seat, guys. Explain that to me. How do we get that much liquid and junk down there? Unexplainable. This is some hocus pocus stuff. I don't know how it happens. So what proceeds in this case, guys, until my inspection, I noticed there is no problem with the wires. They're pulling. When I put my lever, they pulling. So everything is in good place. Is the latch. The latch is seized into the frame, and we just have to make pressure in the latches so they can release. But it's not a wiring issue. I think the liquid is some kind of sticky substance, and it's being seized the latch into the mechanism. So basically is this piece right here, but obviously we have two in the bigger piece. And I want you to see when you fold it down, it starts to open up automatically, and it will lock in position down there. So being that the case, all we have to do is go down there, find our latches, and force them to release, and that will do the trick. I'll show you the results once I get it out. And I find the problem, guys, as you see all this junk right here, you see that little ball down there. This ball was down there, preventing the latch from releasing. It was seizing in place the mechanism and prevent them from folding. Now let me show you. Now that it's being released, and now it folds, guys. But again, that single little ball right there, that little marble, create a whole lot of trouble for the release of this seat, to the point that we needed to cut the whole cover so we can go down there and access the underneath of the frame. So this is gonna be tough if you are not replacing the upholstery, because I don't know how you can get down there without doing what I just did. So untrimming the cover will be another way. It's a tedious process. I don't know if it's achievable, but that's another way, guys, to do it. And I tried to hammer the little marble. It's solid as a rock. So basically that's what the issue was. And again, Maybe in 3 minutes, guys, you will be able to save the cover so you can fix this issue. It's not a mechanical failure. These cars are very well made. It just happened to be, unfortunately, that all this junk that you see right here, one of the pieces fall into that and it created a whole issue. And there you have it, guys. After that, I can remove my two rows and start to work in the upholstery. So the way that these seats come off, you just pull these moldings for underneath like this. You do the other ones and then you have the exposure to the 4 bolts. It only holds them together, guys, and they come off. And then you have it, that's just 2 rows with a fix in how to unlatch that seat. If you happens to have that issue, guys, that's your solution. I hope you like the video. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe, guys, and let me know if my content is being useful for you. Please put a like or something so it can help the channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much.